At Coquitlam Heritage, we believe that heritage is happening all around us all the time. The space we currently call home, Mackin House Museum in Heritage Square, Coquitlam, British Columbia, was built in 1909 as a home for upper management lumber industry employees. Rather than keeping the house as a reflection of the past, we seek to activate it and invite the community around us to do the same. Our Artist in Residence program, initiated in March 2023, offers artists of various disciplines the opportunity to use Mackin House and Coquitlam Heritage's platform to amplify their voices, talents, and work while engaging community and creating heritage. Our inaugural artist was Delali Adiamah of Del's Gourmet. In conjunction with our 2023 exhibit Breaking Bread, Delali enriched the Mackin House kitchen over the span of 3 months. With open houses, kids' bread baking workshops, and more, the house not only smelled amazing and offered tasty snacks to attendees, it also allowed space and time for Delali to pursue recipe and ingredient research that will enhance her future work.
What drew you to this residency experience?
I love baking, so once the opportunity came up, I was quickly and immediately interested in seeing more and knowing more about it. I also reached out to Marcus Farner, who encouraged me to participate in it.
So part of the residency agreement was for you to do research. So what kind of research did you undertake during this residency?
During this residency, I have explored a lot of indigenous and ancient baking techniques, and a few of them have involved or included baking with barley flour, organic flours and textures. I've also researched baking with fruits and vegetables as a way of introducing or creating wholesome baked goods. It's quite similar to how I already bake. I tend to use a few ingredients that include, say, nutritional yeast, flaxseed, and seeds and meals. So incorporating that into this program was not very difficult. It just included, or it just meant trying to make it more appealing to more people than just my palate. So, yeah.
And throughout the residency, how was the atmosphere in Mackin House?
I loved it. It's really a house. I remember one morning I was walking in for one of the open house dates, and I could see Kendrina, the executive, mow, and Marcus just mowing and picking up weeds out front, and here I was carrying all my ingredients coming to bake. Chloe was taking out the garbage, so it just felt so homely, and it's just that atmosphere that I love and have been really drawn to. So really loved it. Great people, everyone's just so friendly, and I couldn't ask for anything more.
How was the engagement from the public?
Oh, I think most people were very appreciative of the fact that there was this experience available to them and accessible. So most people really are, or were grateful for that opportunity to come in, sample, have some natural baked and good baked goods for them to sample and taste.
So all in all, what did you learn through this experience, and what will you take away from it?
I have learned about the simplicity in making meals, in making baked goods. Although yes, baking is a science, I believe that it comes down to using natural ingredients, using wholesome ingredients, and then we're able to make food that is really good for our bodies. So that has been my takeaway, always trying as much as possible to stick to the natural that we have available to us and sourcing local ingredients, just incorporating it into our cooking.
Do you have any closing remarks or anything you'd like to add?
That you should host more baking exhibitions, or just keep doing whatever the house holds and what its goals and its values are. I believe we're doing a great job here, so we should just keep going at it. And I encourage the community to be a part of it. Don't miss out on any of our programs that we will have going on through our museum. So yeah,
Great.
that's it.
Thank you for being a part of our residency.
Thank you for having me.